So we took the Beast out on Lake Champlain this weekend, and we had some motor trouble. This is not the motor for Beast. This is the motor for Belle. This is the 1978 Johnson Seahorse that came with her. All right, so last time we had Not So Big Johnson out on Portland Harbor, the go-go juice pump wasn't working so good, and that'd be this. This is the pump without the filter assembly on it. There's a little gasket here for the little filter screen that goes on there. And of course we got our makeshift work table here because it's much easier to lose parts this way. And when I was searching for pump kits, so if you go onto the Outboard motor parts websites and look for OEM parts, this kit doesn't even show up. There is a BRP kit. I happened to get the Sierra one just because it was a bit cheaper and I could get it faster on Amazon. We're planning to go out this weekend, so I needed quick. But what I noticed is you could buy this whole damn pump for almost the same price as one of these kits, and I think you're about to find out why. Because I already had this apart once the other day before the kit came in, and this here spring might be a foretelling feature. So there are multiple layers here. Got this top plate. I'm going to try and lay them out in order so that I remember which way they go. And we got this plate and a gasket. And oh, some wee bitty bits that are sprung. A little tiny spring. Pop this layer open. Oh, and we get more springs and more little bits that all have to be juggled in just the right order when putting her back together again. And that there is probably why there's a market for these here pumps as a whole. The BRP part is like 90 bucks. Okay, so we got a good and dirty brass bristled brush, so it shouldn't damage the casting as badly as scraping it with a hardened steel razor blade. Trying to get this old gasket material off. It's being stubborn. I don't know if you can see that little bit of black there. It looks like around the center hole here, where the cylinder pressure comes through. It's pretty clear, and it's got a nice ridge to it to dig into the gasket. And the neighbor folks are home. Now, I'm not going to sweat this too much more because the only part that really mattered, and through the magic of technology, several inconvenient things happened. So I got a business phone call, and at the same time, the phone told me it was out of storage capacity, so I had to clean up some room. And I also discovered there were far more gaskets in the new kit than there were in the old kit, so I had to watch a video. So I'm just going to link to that video to share with you guys to show you how I put this thing back together. But I think I got it right. There's a lot of layers in there, and like I said, there was some extras. So now it's a matter of putting it back on the motor as such, with this under the filter screen, and giving it a try. So just to follow up, it actually ran the barrel down. It ran long enough. I got a phone call from a client that took quite a while, and the indicator pumped all the water out. So it was actually running almost dry when I got back here, steaming. Filled the bucket back up, ran some water back through it again to cool it down, and ran on its own. I used the stop button to turn it off. So success.